guys, today I'll be unpacking this package for you. I don't know what it is. I'm guessing it's the Love Yourself Tour in Europe DVD, but we're gonna see. I've been waiting for this for quite a while now, and I accidentally deleted it from my eBay purchase history, so I couldn't track it. So that was kind of stupid, but it's here now. Yes, it's the DVD. Guys, I'm so excited. I really hope I'll be able to fool JK, since he's my bias and all, but I'm sure you guys know that, seeing how he's literally in my channel name. Alright, so first look. It's a bit dirty, I see, but guess we'll just have to deal with that. We got the Love Yourself flowers on top. From all three, from the entire Love Yourself era, if you purchase like all 3 CDs, which I'll hopefully be able to do soon. It's really cute. Love the color. So let's open this up now, if I can get it open. Alright, so here we have the DVDs. White one and a blue one. This is not on the DVDs. It's the Europe, London. Yeah, the concert on the DVD is the one in London, the O2 Arena. But I'm pretty sure the behind the scenes are from Amsterdam, Berlin, Paris, and London. So, oh, here it says what's on the disc. Yeah, it's the behind the scenes from all the concerts. So that's cute. Really excited to watch that. And then we have if it comes out, the group photo. It's really cute. Jimin is really cute. Jun and Tae, Yoongi and Jin and Hobie. Of course, my baby JK. Alright, so where's we're gonna find the photo card? I just realized it says here who it is. It's Yoongi. Yoongi, oh my gosh, he's so cute. This is such a cute picture. Yoongi in a headband. What more do you want? I am aiming to get JK for all my special DVD tour picks, so I'm willing to trade this for JK. So if you pull him, hit me up. This was really anticlimactic. I thought I'd just turn it around, but then I saw it says his name literally right there, so that's slightly disappointing, but at least I'll know that for next time. The photo book, let's just have a quick look. Some pics from their performance. They looked so good. JK, yeah, he was injured at the time, so he couldn't dance. Luckily, he can dance this tour, so I'm sure he's really happy about that. Love, Trivia Love, Namjoon, our young line. Oh, Suga, of course. Tae, during Singularity. Jimin and Tae. Cookie. Seesaw. He looks so good. That fan cam, 35 million views, and not without a good reason. Gosh, Truth Untold. The outro tear. Ending Man. All these pictures are so cute. All of them. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure this was in Amsterdam. They really need to come back here. I didn't go to the concert and I regret it so much. Yeah, this is Berlin. Jimin with his cute blue hair. This is Paris. They all look so happy. It makes me so happy to see that. They all looked so good. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I know this was like really extremely short, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look into the Europe Tour DVD. I hope you'll be able to get it yourself. I'm going to be watching this in the next few days, I think. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. I've seen a few clips on Twitter already, and I can't wait to watch it. So yeah, and if you get JK, please hit me up. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.